have at least 5 fighters confirmed kills and 1 large aircraft, which could be either an Elint aircraft or an AWNC aircraft, which was taken on at a distance of about 300 kilometers. This is the actually largest ever recorded surface-to-air kill.
I'll pick up from where I left day before yesterday. PAF versus IF, 6-0.
Yes, I can confirm that the 6th aircraft is a Mirage 2000. So we have because we don't make our claims based on without evidence. So once we have the confirmed evidence, we checked it, rechecked it, reconfirmed it. So then we came officially out yesterday. The Prime Minister of Pakistan claimed it, and told that the 6 aircraft were down on the and have been down.